Hi there, my name is Robert Sussuma, and as you might know, Richard Corbeil and I are leading a workshop in Seattle in the beginning of March on the 2nd and the 3rd. And it has a bit of a special format because one can attend online if one cannot make it all the way to Seattle. So there seems to be a little confusion about how that works. So let me explain. What we'll be doing is using Zoom as a simulcast. So the workshop will be happening in the room, and then on the wall, one can be on the Zoom chat, and that will be projected on the wall. So the people in the workshop will see you, you'll see us, and it'll be like you're in the room. So when there are questions, you can raise your hand, or when someone else is speaking in the room, you'll hear them as if you're actually there. And we realized that there might be some time zone issues, so that if there are parts of the actual workshop that you can't make due to time zone issues, we will send you the recording of the actual video experience of the workshop. But after the workshop is finished, the video will not be available to anyone who wasn't part of the course. So at that point, it will only be available by audio only, and it will only be the parts that are Richard and me talking, and perhaps some discussion if there's some interesting bits in there. So that's the way it works. So when you sign up for the Zoom online, you can attend as if you're in the room through the Zoom platform, and if there are parts that you can't make, we'll send you the video. Cool, that's how it works. So let me know if you have any questions. You can send a comment or a message below, and I'll answer anything I can. Hope to see you there, either in person or by Zoom.